Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a well thought out, wonderful day. And we have a DIY, which is really scary. It's the skull. And I am outside spraying some metallic paint, which is the silver. And I'm spraying them all over. I think I prefer spray painting. And then I have this little plastic lid that I'm going to use because I just need a second tier on top of this particular project. And I have a little glass plate from Dollar Tree, and I'm spraying that also, both sides, with the silver metallic. I am now inside, and I am going to put some Mod Podge on the little round circle. Is everybody getting ready for Halloween? Got your costumes? All your Halloween candy? Yum. We bought some candy corn the other day. Angelina was just here annoying me. Okay, so now I'm putting some glitter down. And this is the chunky glitter. I have so much glitter in my house. I'm a glitter person. Now I'm going to glue Mr. Skullhead to this plate. And that's my new glue gun. It's cordless. I do like it, even though I have like 100 of them that I couldn't find. Actually, I don't have 100 of them, but I have a few and I couldn't find them. Okay, I have some gems, some glitter gems. These are the clear ones with the silver eyes. They come in all colors. I got a whole big, I guess, box of them at Hobby Lobby. I know y'all have seen them. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, he needs a name, doesn't he? What are we gonna name him, Angelina?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. He needs a name. Maybe y'all can comment below and give me a name for him. He needs a really cool, scary name. Okay, now I'm just putting the second tier on it, and then I have this, it's that candle that if you burn it, it looks like it's got blood on it. You could put a pumpkin on there. You can put, you know, whatever little decoration on top. You can switch it out. You can put a plant on there, flowers. You can put anything you want. And this is him. He's very cool looking. What is that candle called, Angelina?
Bleeding candle.
Bleeding candle, that's what it's called. It's really gonna start lighting it so that you'll be able to see it. They're at Dollar Tree. I have seen them at home. I've seen them at Michael's. But these were $1.25, so it's a pretty good deal. He is pretty cool. And we have DIY number 2. Don't you just love that background? I love that purple background. Angelina did that. Okay, I had this cage that I use for different things. I use it at Easter, use it at Christmas, and I use it for fall and Halloween. I have this really cool grass that was off of a garland that I got at Hobby Lobby. The little skeletons I got at Dollar Tree. And then, of course, I have this, I don't know what they call it. It's a cloth.
Creepy cloth.
creepy cloth. Thank goodness for Angelina. I'm going to cut his little round thing off his head. I'm going to stick him in this cage. Normally I have birds in there, or I have Easter eggs in there, but I'm going to put a skeleton in there. I believe I got this cage too at Hobby Lobby. I'm almost sure I did. So I'm trying to get him in there. I had to take his leg off. Poor guy. Now he's got one leg. Okay, then I've got these bones that came from Dollar Tree. Yeah, because we collect bones. This garland that I got from Hobby Lobby, it's really cool. You get, like, it's a ton of it. It's on a garland. I think I got it for $10 when it was 50% off. I'm also adding in the little lights. So I'm going to put the lights in there also. And then I'm going to use the moss type stuff to hide that and to make it look spooky. Spooky, spooky, spooky. And these crafts are pretty easy, guys. I usually do pretty easy ones, especially if you don't have a lot of time. You can pretty much do these in 5 minutes, sometimes 10 if you have to spray paint, but they don't take all day. And you don't have to get frustrated because they're easy. That's why it's called Easy Crafts. So we went to Disney yesterday, so we'll put out a little Disney short video. It was pretty cool. It's like 2023, like September, and they have like all the pumpkin stuff out. It's pretty cool. It'll probably be a short video, but look out for it. We'll probably have it on all of our YouTube channels, so look out for that one. We're hoping to go around and do some Christmas ones once everybody got all of their stock out on their shelves. But we've been having fun just out looking around. Weather here is getting better. We're in Florida. It was never really bad though. We live in Central Florida, so it's not like super, super hot. I mean, it's hot, but you know, summertime it's hot anyway. And there it is. We have green lights to make it even creepier. Is that ever cool? That is pretty cool. Here he comes. I have a whole table set up with spooky things. He looks good at night too. Well, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the like and notification bell. And please leave a comment. We love hearing from you. And you have a great day. Thank you. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye.